Problem is to write a Python program to randomly select an element from the list. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to randomly obtain any element from a list. So guys, in our Python, what are lists? Lists are something that are kept inside the square brackets. Each element inside the list is separated by a comma, and you can use multiple data types inside the list. Now what do we need to do over here is we need to randomly get any element from the list. To do this in Python, we have two methods. We will be using two modules over here. The first method is with using the random module, and our second method is using the secret module. So we'll be talking about both the modules one by one, starting with the module number 1, that is the random module. Let's have a look on how it can be done. So as I said, we will be using the random module. To use random module, first of all, we will be using a statement called as import statement. After import, we will be importing the random module here. Now what random module would do, it would randomly choose an element. From where it would choose an element, we need to create a list over here. So I'll be creating a L list over here. Inside the list, I'll be passing some elements like 1, like A, comma 1, comma 5, comma B, comma O, comma 7. Okay, now there are 3 alphabets here and 3 numbers here. What I want to randomly obtain an element. For that, I'll be writing, suppose I'll be creating a variable called as random value. Random value would be equals to random.choice. And from where we have to choose? We have to choose from our list L. So random, in our random module, we have .choice option, which allows us to choose one element from the given data. And what is our given data? L is our given data. And now if I print random value and run it, it would give me an output like this, that it would give me 5. If I run it again, it would give me 1, 1, A, 5, A, B. So you can see every time I'm getting a different output. How this is happening? Because we have used random.choice. That means it will randomly choose between what, and we have passed the list over here. That is the name of our list is L over here. So we have passed our list, and from that it is randomly choosing an element and printing it for us. So this was our method number 1, where we use the random module. Now talking about our method number 2, that is the secret module. Now talking about the secret module. Secret module is a module in Python that generates cryptographically strong random numbers that are used for generating, passwords, or they are used for account authentication or for the security. So these kinds of things, when you want to generate these kinds of random numbers, for that secret module is used. Now how to use the secret module? First of all, we need to import secrets. From our secret module, we will be creating a list first of all. So for the list, I'll be just copying the same list over here. Okay, once we have copy pasted this list here, I'll be writing random value, again a variable called as random value. You can give it any name, whatever name you want to give to this variable, you can give any name to it, right? After this, you'll be writing secrets.choice. Similarly, how we had random.choice, here we have secrets.choice, and inside it, I'll be passing the name of my list, that is L, and we will be printing random value. Let's run and see what output we'll get. If I run it, I'll be getting 5, A, 7, B, 1. So you can see it is doing the same thing that our random module is doing. But if you want to create something for security, like if you want to obtain these elements for the purpose of security, in that case, I would suggest you use secret module. Otherwise, if you're using it for the random use, then yes, you can simply use the random module. So I hope guys that both the modules and the use of both the modules over here is clear to you. If you are looking for the link of this code, then you can go through our description. In our description, I have mentioned the link of this code. And for more such interesting videos, stay connected guys. Thank you.